Have you ever wondered why the eye of round steak is considered so lean? Today, we're diving deep into its unique characteristics and nutritional value. The eye of round comes from the hindquarters of a cow, specifically the inner thigh muscle. This location makes it a lean cut because these muscles get lots of exercise. Compared to other cuts like ribeye or brisket, all round has minimal fat marbling. This means it contains less than 3 grams of fat per serving. Eye of round is a great source of protein, iron, and zinc, making it a healthy choice. It's also lower in calories than fattier cuts, which can be beneficial for weight management. Due to its low fat content and tough texture, it's recommended not to grill eye of round, but rather use methods like braising or slow cooking to enhance tenderness. Its lean profile and budget-friendly price make it a popular choice among health-conscious consumers. However, proper preparation is key to avoid dryness. In summary, the eye of round's lean nature comes from its origin in low-fat content. It's a nutritious option when prepared correctly. So there you have it, eye of round is indeed lean, but requires careful preparation. What's your favorite way to cook this cut? Share in the comments.